All right, now we have chapter 7. Chapter 7 is about musical expression, and musicians have to play music with expression, otherwise, they sound like a robot or a computer. And composers give them words to tell them what they want them to do with the music. So, there's things that you need to learn, these words on this slide right here, that have to do with tempo, which means the speed or pace of the music, how fast the music moves or slow. And then there's dynamics, which means the varying degrees of volume from super soft to super loud. Okay, so they're little road maps that the composers put in the music to tell the performing musicians what they want. We're going to start with tempo, the speed or pace of the music. You have 3 words to learn for tempo: allegro, moderato, and adagio. And you can probably get an idea what they are. Moderato means moderate. Allegro means fast. And adagio means a slow walking pace. So adagio goes, oops, I have a cat kind of playing with my computer here. Adagio goes about the speed of walking, like the feet. Moderato goes a moderate speed, like you're riding a bike. And allegro is fast. Okay, so that's the race car. And here are 3 examples of those tempos. We're going to start with the fast one. I'm going to start with Mozart. This was what we would call allegro. It's very fast, very snappy. Here's the beat. One, one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how fast those quarter notes are going. So that's pretty fast. That's Mozart. Moderato is slower. It's still pretty bright, but it's slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's the fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the moderate. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here's adagio, slow. This is a piece by Bach. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go over those one more time. Fast, adagio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moderato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And adagio, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll count those for you, just so you can hear it. Allegro, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moderato, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adagio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 3 tempo markings: allegro, moderato, and adagio. Those tempo markings don't change. They stay constant: allegro, moderato, and adagio. We have some tempos that change. Accelerando. If you see the word excel, you can kind of understand what that means. It means to get faster. So you get faster. You start at one tempo and you go faster. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Retardando means the opposite, get slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the accelerando is the race horses. They start and they get faster, faster, faster. Ritardando is like you're slowing down for a stop sign. And here's two examples, accelerando and ritardando. Get rid of my 3 non-changing. Okay. This one, this first one, the Russian Sailor's Dance, I skipped to 119-ish, actually 114, so you can hear it get faster, but you can listen to the whole thing. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And what you just heard is an immediate and an abrupt slowdown that happens after it gets faster. So that little section right here, it suddenly gets slower. Fast, 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 fast. Allegro. Sudden, slow, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so the accelerando is the part that got faster. The ritardando is the part that got slower. That one part I just played for you again. Here's another one that it gets slower over time. This is called the Moldau. This is by a composer named Smetana. This is a song that's supposed to sound like a river flowing. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Getting slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one gets slower. I'll let you listen to that without me counting in your ear. It's getting slower. Really slow till it stops. That is ritardando. Accelerando, see the excel, the word excel in there? Accelerando means get faster. Ritardando means get slower. In music, we use an instrument called a metronome. I found some online, and metronomes tell you how fast it's going. So this click is going 60 beats per minute. We count that like 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000. That gives you 60 musical beats in 1 minute. You can go faster. I'll go to a much faster one, 120, which is twice as fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are examples of metronome clicks. They're clicking for you, and it gives you the time. So if you're in time that stays, like allegro, moderato, and adagio, doesn't change, you can use that click and just play with it. If, however, you're getting to music that does change, accelerando or ritardando, you have to get faster and slower on your own. There's one other kind of tempo, and it's called rubato, this word right here. I'm going to go ahead and put that in red so you can see it. Rubato. Rubato means literally robbing of time. I'm stealing time. So it means that I can go faster or slower as I want to, and it's really hard to hear a pulse. It's almost non-metric. So it's a stretching and pulling of the tempo. And here's an example of this. It's called The Afternoon of the Faun. It's written by a French composer named Claude Debussy, and it's very floaty, and you can't feel a beat. very hard to feel a beat there. You can't really tap your toe to that. That's called rubato, robbing of time. Okay? So here's all of your words for, ooh, what happened to the rest of the, oh, they're there. Okay, tempo. Allegro, moderato, and adagio, they don't change. The times that change are accelerando, ritardando, and this great one right here, rubato. Rubato can go faster or slower, kind of however you want to. It's from the Romantic era when they wanted you to express music your own way. Now I'm going to pause and start a new video.